Are you experiencing poor gas mileage along with a P0455 code? Here's what it means. If you were seeing the P045 code and experiencing poor gas mileage, you might have an issue with your EVAP system. What is the EVAP system? The EVAP system captures fuel vapors from the fuel tank and routes them to the intake manifold. From there, the vapors are burned during combustion, preventing harmful emissions from escaping into the atmosphere. Here's a rundown of the potential culprits behind the P045 code. Number 1. Faulty fuel cap. A damaged or improperly sealed fuel cap can allow vapors to escape. Solution: inspect the cap for cracks or a torn gasket. Always ensure it clicks at least 3 times when closing. Number 2. Damaged fuel tank filler neck. Corrosion, cracks, or damage to the filler neck can cause fuel vapors to leak. Solution: check the filler neck for visible signs of wear or damage. Number 3. Stuck purge valve. The purge valve controls when fuel vapors are transferred from the charcoal canister to the engine. Solution: test and replace the purge valve if necessary. Number 4. Bad charcoal canister. Cracks or damage to the canister can let fuel vapors escape. Solution: inspect the canister for visible cracks or leaks. Last number. Damaged EVAP hoses. Cracked, damaged, or loose hoses can result in leaks. Solution: inspect all hoses in the EVAP system and secure or replace as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment for any question, and don't forget to subscribe.